The energy-efficient pump features a flow control dial at the front. We've also included a pump jacket fountain filter for your convenience. Attach the pump securely to the pre-installed silicone tubing. Make sure there's no bends or obstructions to the silicone tubing. The pump should line up with the bottom riser so that the pump sits firmly at the bottom of the basin. Make sure the pump power cord fits into the groove notch. Double check that the pump is sitting at the bottom of the basin and the tubing is straight up and down.